Want a bright, juicy cup? Let's brew with the Hario Suiren. Sleek design with open ribs that prevents bypass. So, you can grind the coffee coarser to get the amazing cup, but the coffee shines when the grind is right. I use the Brew sifter as a reference to achieve 900 microns, which is around 23 clicks on the Comandante grinder. We are using 15 grams of washed Panamanian Geisha for 240 grams of water at 97 degrees. We use 4 pours every 30 seconds, starting with 50 grams bloom to wet the coffee bed for a full extraction. Second pour up to 150 grams to bring out the vibrancy in the cup. Third pour up to 200 grams with a gentle swirl to enhance the sweetness. And the brew at 240 grams with a center pour for a clean aftertaste. Brew time should be around 2.5 minutes. Try the Hario Suiren and enjoy your brew.